Hello and welcome. Let's begin this guided meditation by finding a comfortable seat. Whether you're in a chair with your feet on the floor or sitting cross-legged, just allow your spine to be long and your shoulders to relax away from your ears. Let's make this moment a little more real. I invite you to place one hand on your belly or perhaps on your heart, whichever feels more comforting to you right now. And now, let's take a few deep, cleansing breaths. Breathing in slowly through your nose, feeling your hand rise as your lungs fill with fresh air. And then breathe out through your mouth with a long, audible sigh. Feel your hand gently fall as you release the air. Let it all go. Let's do that again. A deep, full breath in, inviting a sense of calm into your body. Hold it for just a moment at the top. And then a long, slow exhale, releasing any tension you might be holding. One last time, the deepest breath you've taken all day. Breathe in calm. And breathe out busyness. Good. Now just allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. If you feel comfortable doing so, gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to the top of your head and your face. Without straining, can you gently scrunch up the muscles in your forehead and around your eyes? Just for a moment. And now, release. Feel a wave of softness wash over your face. Allow your jaw to be loose, maybe letting your teeth part slightly. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. On your next inhale, gently draw your shoulders up toward your ears, holding that tension. And as you exhale, let them drop completely. Feel the weight of the world melt away from your shoulders. Let this gentle awareness flow down through your arms to your hands. Gently make your hands into soft fists. Not tight, just a gentle squeeze. And on your next exhale, open your hands and let your fingers unfurl. Imagine any stress or worry flowing out through your fingertips. Just feeling your physical presence here, the weight of your body in the chair, the feeling of the air on your skin, the gentle, natural rhythm of your breath. Now let's check in with your day. What kind of energy are you carrying right now? Maybe it was a busy day, full of challenges. Maybe it was a quiet day. There's no right or wrong answer. Just notice what's here. Without needing to change anything, I want to invite you to do something. See if you can scan back through your day and find one small thing, just one, a moment that brought you a little bit of ease or a little smile. Maybe it was the taste of your morning coffee, a kind word from someone, the feeling of sunlight on your face, a song you enjoyed. Find that one small moment, hold it gently in your awareness, and as you breathe in, see if you can feel a little bit of gratitude for it, a tiny spark of warmth. And as you breathe out, just let it go, knowing that even on difficult days, these small moments exist. Whatever thoughts or feelings are present for you now, they're all welcome here. If you feel calm, that's okay. If you feel restless, that's okay too. If your mind is wandering, that is perfectly okay. This is a space of gentle acceptance. Everything you find in this moment is allowed to be here. You are simply the observer, watching it all pass by with kindness. Now, to ground ourselves in this feeling of acceptance, let's repeat some phrases. You can repeat them silently to yourself, or just listen. If you like, you can place your hand back on your heart to feel the vibration of these words. I am safe in my body. I have the strength to be with what I find. I offer myself kindness. Let's repeat that one more time. I am here in this moment. I am safe in my body. I have the strength to be with what I find. I offer myself kindness. Good. Take one final deep breath in, gathering up the peace and stillness you've cultivated. And as you breathe out, know that this feeling belongs to you. You can return to it anytime you need. Before you open your eyes, choose one word to take with you from this practice. Maybe it's calm, acceptance, strength, or kindness. Choose your word. Now, when you're ready, begin to bring some gentle movement back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe slowly stretch your arms or neck. And whenever it feels right, you can gently open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the room around you. Thank you for sharing this time with me. I am sending you peace. I am sending you love. And I am sending you happiness for the rest of your day. Carry that feeling with you. Like, follow and subscribe if this meditation helps you.